Just use their website, check their website, how efficient their website, how fast, there is no bug or have bug, those type of thing you need to check out, like bridging, swapping, all sort of thing. Okay, so first you need to come through. I will put my Telegram channel link on the description box. Check out description box and you will get my Telegram channel, and where my Telegram channel has a pin post where you will see Zulu, has a Zulu post. So search Zulu, I'm showing you. Okay, I will put that exact post on description. Okay, no problem, you need to come, not come into you know my Telegram, randomly I will put exact link. You can come walk through that link. So however, after clicking on that link, you need to have MetaMask Uniswap wallet inside of your extension browser. So however, you need to click on connect wallet, and while you click on connect, here is couple of wallet would be show up, web3 wallet. I would recommend to you MetaMask, absolutely. So your MetaMask will get notified by your click, and after what happened, MetaMask will get from you permission to connect it with Zulu website for using their product, like swapping, bridging, those type of things. So however, here is your need your password that you set up while you create your MetaMask wallet. Put that password here, and after click on unlock. Okay, I'm trying, my phone has hang, however, so wait a minute here, it is not working. Wait. Okay, my phone was in hang, sorry for that. So I'm trying to do efficiently that task. Sorry for time wasting here. Click on this password. Okay, and keyboard has showed up. Okay, that is not working efficiently that I as much as I wanted to do. Wait a minute here, sorry for doing this. Okay, so my phone is in hang, therefore it's taking some time, sorry for that. Okay, I'm putting my password here, ABC 1 2 3, and like this. Okay, pretty simple. Maybe your device is so faster than mine. I'm using older phone. Okay, my network is in the out of Zulu, therefore it is happening. I'm going to tap on again Zulu Testnet here. Like, you will not face any problem that I am facing, okay, because you are new user. I've already used, I have been using it is nearly 1 month. Okay, click on connect wallet Zulu. I wanna change my network to MetaMask, and MetaMask will get notified by your click. And here what need, nothing else, just click on switch network into Zulu network. Okay, maybe you are outside of Zulu, it's obvious. Okay, the growing testnet, you need to have patience. Without patience you cannot do anything. Okay, so now my point has pop up here. I'm doing it a long day. So here, while you come into here, your point would be 0 here, sorry, not 0, 200, and after click on check. Okay, I'm just showing you, I don't wanna waste any time here. And while you click on this check button, do some Zulu. And there is a transaction. So how do you do that? You already get and if you do that 10 times, you will get 200 points. So very simple. Swap, Adam swap. How do you do that? Click on here, and they will bring into inside of the Adam swap where you need to connect your Adam, and you can swap your keys into check editing. Okay, so very simple. Amount here. So only to pay it. If you don't, that's just one pump button, and that will immediately put it down. Okay, so very simple, straightforward, and definitely is just testing your website. Nothing complicated. If you don't understand what Airdrop is the thing that you get money from doing their instructions. Okay, follow, using their product, using swapping, buy, using profit. You can have it mainnet where you can easily use your main money. Okay, so where we have running as well account, there is no time option. So there is you need to do that 30 times until it fails. You swap because you click on here. I don't know which time. I will do that later because I have a routine to doing that. I'm showing you this time how to do that. Okay, straightforward. Now letting do that 30 times. It is like twice. Second time I'm doing, and I get already if you count that maybe a couple of points I already get. So here I could do 3 times limited here, and if I click on swap, I will do 2 times, so 2 out of 3. So liquidity provider, how do you do that?